Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can master English grammar. Okay? So first, let me tell you something important. English grammar is not your enemy. Okay? Many students feel scared of grammar. Words like tenses, preposition and articles can feel confusing. You may even feel like giving up, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Today I am going to share a simple secret. After that, you don't need to learn grammar by memorizing long rules. Instead, you can learn grammar in a fun and easy way. Okay? Imagine this. Every day, you write just 5 simple sentences about your life. For example, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to school. This is called present tense. The next day, you write the same sentences in past tense. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to school. See, grammar become easy when you connect it to your real life. Another powerful tip is to practice English with yourself. Yes, it may feel funny, but it works. Ask yourself, what did I do today? Then answer in English. You can also learn grammar by watching cartoon or short videos. Pause the video, repeat the sentences, and copy the way people speak. This helps your brain understand grammar naturally. Now let's talk about something very important, mistakes. Many students are afraid of making mistakes, but listen carefully. Mistakes are your best teacher. Every mistake helps you learn faster. So don't stop, keep going. Okay? Also, try to learn small things every day. Don't study for many hours, just learn one grammar point or write a few sentences daily. Small steps bring big results. So, finally, remember the building blocks of grammar: noun, verb, adjective, and more. You don't need to memorize them all at once. Just use them in a fun sentences. For example, the red dog ran fast. Simple, fun, and full of grammar. So, my dear student, mastering English grammar is not about being perfect. It is about practicing daily, staying curious, and enjoying the process. So, start today, take one small step, then another tomorrow. And one day you will smile and say, yes, I can use English grammar easily. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up.